Alright, welcome back for more fun and games. It's indefinite integrals today, the 17th of November. Kindly consider the following: 88 AB6. This is an infamous question. Let's see, let's do it. Well, you'll see. Infamous is usually bad. Famous is good, infamous is bad, usually.
You say someone's infamous, but they do something really good. Like Sparta. They were infamous.
You're writing layers of it.
I know, stupid thing. What are you doing? Go away. Okay, so YouTube was very interested in all that. Okay, 88 AB6 says what?
Let f be a differentiable function defined for all real numbers x with the following property.
Good. All right, so f prime is ax squared plus bx. Okay. And you're also given that f prime of 1 is 6, and f double prime is 18. Also, by the way, the area from 1 to 2 under f is also 18, famous number apparently. Okay, so the question is, what's f? Can you figure out f based on this information? Maybe, maybe not. Well, let's find out. How do you get f from f prime? You anti-differentiate. That's an indefinite integral. That's what we're talking about today. But it would be nice if we knew what a and b were first. Is there some way to get a and b before we do the integral?
You can do f, a.
Right, substitute stuff, right? All right, we're going to substitute 1 in for what? X, and 6 in for what? F prime. But I also have f double prime, so let's use that. What's f double prime?
F double prime is
2a plus b. This is a constant. Don't do product rule. Is that what you're doing? Okay, all right. No. Just do the power rule. That's it. 2a, oh, sorry, x. Yeah. I thought you were saying something else. Yeah, 2ax plus b, right. All right, so let's plug in this one over here, the 18 over here, this one over here, and the 6 over here, and see if we can figure out a and b. All right, so f double prime at 1 is 18. If I plug in x equals 1, I get this. F prime is 6. If I plug in x equals 1, I get this. So you have two equations, two unknowns. How do you solve for a and b?
Well, you solve for one of the variables, and then you use that.
You can do elimination, or you can do substitution. Now, for some reason, you guys are most familiar with substitution. Like get a alone, plug it in, solve for b, or vice versa, right? But this is set up perfectly for elimination. What if I just subtract? What happens? What's b minus b? Nothing. So you're only going to get information about a. That's what you want, right? Deal with one variable at a time. So 2a minus a, and 18 minus 6, 12. Okay.
By 3.
Okay, you're on YouTube, you know. Okay, we really don't need that. All right, now a is 12. How do you get b?
You just put it.
You can plug it into either one. Think of this as, 18 equals 2x plus y, 6 equals x plus y. You can get y alone, graph mx plus b. You're really looking where two lines intersect. So there's one point of intersection, right? So it doesn't matter where I put the 12. Can I put it here and here and get the same answer for b? Yeah, because it's a single point of intersection. So which one's easier? This one? Okay, put in 12 here. How do you get b alone? Subtract 12 from 6, you get -6. So there you go. You got a and b, don't you? Okay? So we're going to plug in a is 12 and b is -6, and we're going to integrate to get f from f prime. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do that. Since f prime is ax squared, in other words 12x squared, plus bx, in other words -6x, you get f by finding the antiderivative of that, or doing an indefinite integral. Definite integral means you have limits of integration. You get an area, you get a number, right? You're not doing that here. So what's the antiderivative?
4x cubed minus 3x squared.
Okay, plus a constant, right. Okay, that's f of x. But it would be nice if we knew what c was, right? Do we have any other information we could use to figure out c? Yeah, this is the only thing we haven't used yet, right? So let's use it. Okay. So it says the integral from 1 to 2 under f of x, but this is f of x. 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus c. Apparently that is 18. So can we get an equation for c? Well, anti-differentiate again. Now this is a definite integral, right? I'm plugging in limits and doing the first fundamental theorem. But do the antiderivative, what do you get? X to the fourth over 4 cancels that 4, right? Minus x cubed over 3 cancels that 3, plus c times x. Okay, we're going to evaluate that using the first fundamental theorem from 1 to 2, and that better equal 18. So once I plug in x is 2 and x is 1, I'm going to get an equation for c. Is that okay? Okay, let's do that. Plug in 2. What's 2 to the 4th? 16, actually. Yeah, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. 2 cubed? 8. And 2 times c is, well, 2 times c. Okay, that minus what happens when you plug in 1. 1 to the 4th minus 1 cubed plus c times 1. All right, so simplify this. 16 minus 8? 8. 1 minus 1? 0. 2c minus c? C. So you have 8 plus c is 18. So clearly c is 10. And so the final answer is, remember what we're doing, we're trying to finish this answer, right? So 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus c is 10. So f of x is 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus c, which is 10. And that's your final answer, Regis. All righty. What is my time say?
7 minutes.
7 something?
7 minutes even.
It's about 7 now? Yeah, I don't think we have enough time to do the song, so I'm going to stop it here as far as YouTube is concerned. All right, take a look at the song on the back of the sheet. All right, bye-bye, YouTube. See you.